Is going on, everyone? I'm doing a video from Palmetto Beach. Sometimes I'll come over here and drive and take phone calls and just relax. Look at this, right before Ybor. It's a little place with water. But we're talking about open houses, right? All about real estate open houses. In this market, there are times that people are asking for an astronomical amount of money, right? Or they're taking the gamble, which is perfectly fine. But if you're going to take a gamble, you need to get as much data as possible. And data is showings. It's the amount of people that are giving you feedback, how many showings you're getting, how many people are getting in the house, the whole nine. That is going to be the reason why you always need to do an open house. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, whatever the case may be. So if you put the house on the market on a Wednesday, you're going to right away tell Zillow, Truly, a Realtor, everybody that you're doing an open house weekend. What's going to happen is it's going to spike the interest to your house, and then you're going to get everybody coming in there. So let's say your house is worth $200 and you priced it at $299. You should, at that point, not only have at least 50 showings, but at least have 5 offers. If you're not getting the offers you want, or they're not paying the gaps or whatever, it's giving you free information to say, you know what, even in this market, your house might be a little bit overpriced. But that's okay, because it took you a couple of days to figure that out. And this is why you can't just put your house on the market for whatever price you want and hope that someone buys it. You still got to play the game. You still need to work the system. You got to do the open houses. You got to do the marketing. I think that's the one piece that a lot of people are getting wrong. And agents, if you're watching this, you can't just say, I'm going to take a house and put it on MLS and hope it sells. You got to do the work. You got to do the marketing. You got to do the open houses. You got to give your client all the data necessary to say, hey, this is good, or this is why it's priced too much. Look, I have all this for you. So if you have any questions, want to know more, and you want to learn more about stuff like this, check out Fun Tampa, and more education coming soon.